Hey, Coach Greg here with SVELTE Training. Today we'll be doing a full body floor workout. You're gonna love this, especially if you don't have a lot of space or you have to be more quiet. You can't be jumping around, but don't worry, we're gonna get a full workout right here. You're gonna get all sweaty and we're gonna have a good time. So let's get right to it. So we're gonna be doing 2 sets. First set is gonna be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along, while the second set will be a more complete run through of all the exercises since you'll know them by then. So let's just get right to it. Get a drink of water, get your mat. So our first exercise is going to be marching bridges. You're gonna want to get on your back, put your feet close to your butt if you can, or a little further out. You're gonna wanna put your hands to the side, and all we're doing is lifting our back off the ground, or back and butt off the ground, and really just trying to get a flat line here. And then once we reach that status, we're just gonna raise one leg at a time and try to bring that knee overhead, put it back down while still maintaining a flat back, and then the other one, and alternating. So really focus on squeezing and maintaining the right posture. Let's put 30 seconds on. Make sure you're following along. Let's do it. And here we go. Get into that starting position, brace yourself, and let's start marching. This one is great for your lower back, your legs, even your shoulders and arms, and most importantly, your butte. There you go. Make sure you're driving. There it is. Couple more seconds. Raise those legs. And 1, 2, and 3. Good job. We're gonna go right into our second exercise, which is push-ups. You know the drill. Get on your hands and knees to start. You want your hands a little under your shoulders, shoulder width apart. You want to get into a plank position. And all we're doing is letting gravity do the work as we let our elbows flare out to 45-degree angles to our side, allowing our chest to drop to the ground. It can touch if you want, it's up to you, but then we're just pressing back up, like so. Really try to maintain integrity. We don't want to be down like this or whatever. Really try to make sure we're dropping that chest to the ground while keeping our back straight. Right back up. And again, we always have assisted. You can be on your knees, whatever you're comfortable with. 30 seconds on the clock. Let's do it. There you go. Make sure you're breathing. We'll do assisted. Really focus on pressing. You're gonna feel it in your triceps, in your back, in your chest. There you go. You're doing great. Couple more seconds, and you're done. Good job. Next, we have bicycles. Flip back around onto your back. You're gonna want to put your hands behind your head as so. And the goal is, we're just gonna bring one foot or one knee at a time, driving it to our chest. At the same time, we're gonna be twisting over with that opposite elbow to try to touch. You don't have to, but the goal is just to get as close as you can. And then we alternate. Then we extend. And we just do both sides as if you're a bicycle. I love it. Here we go. 30 seconds. And let's do it. Really focus on proper form. You don't really want to just be like speeding through these. The goal is really to feel that stretch and that squeeze. You bring that knee to your elbow. There you go. If you have to drop your feet, you can. I like to just keep them up. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, moving right along, we have side plank pulses. You're going to pick either side. Which arm you want to start off with. You're going to put most of your weight onto your elbow as such. We're just going to raise our leg up, try to keep this one flat, and we want to balance the other leg on top of it until we are in a side plank. Really want to be off the ground. But then you can either stay here if that's all you can do, but the goal is to pulse where we want to touch the ground with our hip and then bring our whole body straight again. Touch the ground with our hip, bring our body straight. We're gonna do 15 seconds both sides, or as close as we can to get to there. If you're ready, I'm ready. That means we're ready. So let's do it. Here you go, get into position, and then really just try to touch that hip to the ground. There you go. Really try to maintain your posture, your form. We're gonna switch sides. Here you go. Really focus on touching the ground. There you go. Let's hold at the top for a couple seconds. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Last floor exercise. We have dead bugs. So you're just going to get back onto your back. You're going to raise your legs into a 90-degree angle until they're like right here. You want to raise your arms straight overhead as if you're a dead bug. And again, similar with the bicycles, you're going to put one leg straight out. And as you do, you're going to do the opposite arm straight above you or straight behind you. So you raise it to the starting position and then do the other side. Or do 30 seconds of this. Now these are great because it is literally full body. You're working out your arms, your legs, your core, your stability. Really try to press your back into your mat. There you go. Really extend with your leg and your arm. Get a full stretch. You're doing amazing. We're almost done. Keep your arms straight up overhead. Here we go. One more, each side, and great job. All right, so that was your first set, and now that you know all the exercises, we're gonna move into that second set. Feel free to mark the time of this video right now so you can come back to this moment if you wanna keep doing these exercises over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, because I know you will. You're gonna love them. So let's get right into that second set. Here we go. We're going with marching bridges. Let's go, let's get into our bridge position. Up high. Shoulders on the ground, back and butt off the ground. Here we go, 30 seconds. Let's get marching. Raise those legs. Again, try to keep your back as high as you can. I know I'm dipping a little bit. There you go. Focus on marching, driving that knee overhead. I'm feeling the burn. There you go. You're doing awesome. Keep it up. Couple more seconds. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. All right, getting right into push-ups. Take a deep breath. 30 seconds on, and let's do it. Really focus on driving up, pressing away from the ground. Here you go. Just explode. We can do assisted, even with these. Really focus on that squeeze at the bottom, just pushing away the ground with your fingertips. Extending. Here you go, come on. You feel it, I feel it. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Woo, we're having fun. All right, back on your back for bicycles. Here we go, 30 seconds. And let's have some fun. Let's go cycling. Three, 2, 1. Side plank pulses, 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. In your plank position, touch that hip to the ground. Switch sides. Three, 2, and 1. Last exercise, dead bugs, 30 seconds. Finish strong. Knees up, hands up. There we go. Come on, a couple more seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. There you have it. That was your best full body floor workout. I hope you liked that. And if you did, like this video, share this video, and click the notification bell to be on top of any new videos dropping. And let us know in the comments what kind of exercises you're looking forward to doing, or you want us to explore more. Whatever you guys want, we want to deliver. So without further ado, I'm Greg Samuels. Have a blessed day. Peace.